Do you love a good dirty martini? Do you love buttery pasta? Ever wish the two could come together? Yeah, I thought that sounded gross too, but trust me, this dirty martini pasta is briny, buttery, and just a little funky with a kick of blue cheese. It's way better than it has any rights to be. And hey, if you end up hating it, at least you'll still have the ingredients to make yourself a drink. For this recipe, we'll need some sliced garlic, blue cheese, chopped olives, 1 lemon, your favorite linguine, some butter, olive oil, vodka or gin, a bit of olive brine, salt, pepper, and some fresh Italian parsley. In a medium to large pot, bring the water to a boil and season with a generous portion of salt. Don't be afraid, as most of this water will be going down the drain. Once a rolling boil has been achieved, place your pasta in and cook until al dente. For this pasta, it will take roughly 8 to 9 minutes. Just before your pasta is finished, be sure to take roughly a cup to a cup and a half of pasta water and place it on the side to reserve. We'll take our pasta out and drain, and be sure to run cold water over it to stop the cooking process. We're back again and we're using the same pot. Go ahead and hit it with a nice portion of olive oil, bring it up to heat on medium-high, and toss in your garlic slices. Make sure to get every bit in there, as we love garlic and garlic loves us. Give them a nice little stir, and be sure to coat the garlic evenly with oil. Quickly add in our chopped olives and lemon zest. We're going to cook this until fragrant, which should take no more than roughly 1 minute. We don't want to go too long, as there's a risk we burn our sweet garlic, and we don't want to burn our sweet garlic. Next, hit it with some vodka or gin. Gin, I've read, is the more flavorful option, but I had some vodka lying around, so I'm using what I got. Stir constantly and cook until most of the alcohol has evaporated. We're then going to add some of the olive brine into the mix. The liquid does a few things. 1, it saves our garlic from burning, and 2, it infuses all these great flavors into the olives and the sauce that we are making. Add in your cold butter, 1 tablespoon at a time, allowing each tablespoon of butter to melt before adding in the next. We are slowly incorporating the butter to ensure a good emulsification of our sauce. And look at all that buttery glory. I wish you could smell what I'm smelling right now. It is truly intoxicating. Finally, we're going to add back in our cooked pasta, and into the sauce it goes. Be sure to mix it well, coating the noodles with all that delicious, garlicky, buttery sauce. If it seems a little dry, add in some of the pasta water that we saved. This not only rehydrates the pasta, but also seasons it, as the water has a bit of salt in it as well. For the finishing touches, a few pinches of salt and pepper to your liking. Give it a loving mix, and top with fresh Italian parsley for a fresh pop and to make it look pretty. For the final touches, top the dish with some blue cheese. If you don't like blue cheese, you can leave it out. No one's going to force you to put it in. It is your choice. But there you have it. Dirty vodka pasta. It's briny, buttery, and just a little dirty. If you love it, congratulations, you just found your new favorite comfort food. And if you don't, well, you still got the vodka to make yourself a drink. As always, I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next week with our next dish. Have a great day.